The second Global Digital Trade Expo wrapped up Monday in East China's Hangzhou. Themed Digital Trade Global Access, the expo attracted dozens of international organizations and business associations, as well as over 800 enterprises. It has provided an important platform to boost digital trade.
都在稳定的增长啊，去年的话应该是8000多万，让更多的人了解我们的这个末端家具，然后看一下我们现在自动化相当于达到一个什么样的级别。
一般市面上就是和能达到我们同类级别的这种手的话，其实也就是说，就是国外的品牌啊，他们基本上的售价就能达到是60到70万人民币。然后我们这个主打的一个就是在国内，那我们这个价格是会控制在就是20万以内。
Digital trade, as an important part of the digital economy, is seen as a new engine for global trade growth. In 2022, China's digitally delivered service trade value rose 3.4% year-on-year to $372.71 billion, accounting for around 9% of the global total, according to the report on China's Development of Digital Trade 2022 released at the Expo. By the end of 2022, the number of Chinese digital service platform enterprises with an individual market value of over $1 billion had exceeded 200.